Hi guys, I have come with Task Manager app. So Task Manager is a simple yet powerful React-based web application that allows users to efficiently create, organize, and track their daily tasks. Built with modern component-based architecture, this app includes features like task creation with due dates, priority selections, and task completion tracking. So here you can see the key features like you can add the task with title, due date, and priority, and form validation to ensure tasks have essential details, auto-generated unique ID and completion status for each task, responsive UI with clean minimal design using Tailwind CSS, and it is I have used persistent storage. It use a local storage and reusable components. You can use like task form, task list, filter bar for modularity. And I have used React with hooks, JavaScript ES6, Tailwind CSS, or custom styling, and local storage API optional for persistence. So you can see you can add the here titles. So you can give the titles. I am doing something Java component, or you can give data date, and you can give the low, medium, high, and you can add the task. So here it is adding the task, and you can, if it is completed, then you can mark completed. You can incomplete also if you can mark. And let's see the code for this, how to write for this. So Task Manager is a simple yet powerful React-based web application that allows users to efficiently create, organize, and track their daily tasks, built with modern component-based architecture. And this app includes features like task creations with due dates, priority selections, and task completion tracking. So here we can see the how we can add task with title, due date, and priority like low, medium, high. And we can see form validation to ensure tasks have essential details, and auto-generated unique ID and completion status for each task. And I have designed responsive UI with clean minimal design using Tailwind CSS, and I have used persistent storage using local storage, and it is a reusable component, task form, task list, filter bar for modularity. So here you can see React with hooks. So hooks I have used use state, use effect, and I also have used JavaScript ES6, Tailwind CSS, and custom styling, local storage API. And now you can see the app.js file that it is rendered in the index.js file. So for index.js, root.render app, and you can just root, you can create root document.get element by id, and it will, and I have imported the app, so it will render the app.js. And now you can see the app.js file, and this I have used use state and use effect. So use state is hook to create and update local state in functional components, and use effect that I have used for hook to run side effects like fetching or storing the data. And here I have used a task form, task list, filter bar. I have added, imported other file. So task form handles adding new task. That's why I have created the task form, and task list that it will display all the task, and filter bar let's user filter task by status, whether is it completed, not completed. And now I have declared the state variables. So variable is the task, and filter. So task hold the list of tasks objects, and filter it stores current filter type, all completed, incomplete. And then I have used use effect. So effect like load task from local storage on mount. So use effect constant stored local storage dot get item task. So it will runs once when component loads, empty dependency array. So if stored set task json.parse store, so it read the task from local storage and update state if available. And next effect is like saved task to local storage on update. So here I have used set item. So it runs whenever task changes. So when it changes, then set item and json.stringify, and I have given the tasks. So it stores updated task into local storage, so they persist on reload. And then next I have added the task constant handle add task. The task set task, it adds new task to the list, and it uses a spread operator to keep existing task and append new one. And next is the handle toggle. So toggle task completions constant handle toggle id. It finds task by id and toggles its completed status. And I have used the map method to update only the matching task. So handle change and id, and then map the method to update the matching task. And then I have used delete task. Delete task filters out the task with matching id, and it updates task state with remaining task. And then next is the filter task for display. So filter task, a task dot filter task, filter completed, completed, and task completed, filter incomplete, not task completed, then true. So it applies filter to task list. Completed shows only completed task, incomplete shows only incomplete task, and all shows all. And next is the render UI. So render UI layout is centered and padding using Tailwind. So Max W2XL and MX Auto and T4 padding. And next task form gets on add. Here is a task form, it gets on add, and filter bar gets filter and set filter. Task list get filter task on toggle and on delete. So this is all things I have used. Local task state, load from storage, save to storage, add a new task, toggle complete, delete task. And next I am doing the task. Here we are going to add the task form. So let's see the task form. So task form, here I have used use state. It imports use state hook from React, allowing us to add state to a functional component. And then we are using component declarations. So component declaration like task form on add. So task form is a reusable component. It takes a one prop on add, a function that's called when a new task is submitted. And then I am using state declarations. State declaration is the constant form set form, that is the like forms hold the input data for a new task, and the initial state is an object with empty values for title due low as default priority. Input change handler. So input change handler constant handle change. This updates the state whenever the user types in an input or changes the drop down. It uses the name attribute of the input to update the correct key in the form object. And form submit handler, constant handle submit e, that's prevents page reload on form submit. And next is the simple validations for not form title or not form due, then return. And after that on add method I have used the that unique id current time I can use it. And then I have used simple validations. New task is not completed by default. So I have given the false, completed false, not completed by default. And I reset the form after submission. So set form, uh, title due priority low, and then JSX form UI. So styled form container that listen to the submit event. So submit event they can listen, and then title input, mm, a control input for a task title, mm, task form dot title, and handle change on change. Placeholder is a task title, and required ensures I can't it can't be empty. And next is the due date input. So due date input for selecting the due date. And next is the priority. So priority select drop down with option for setting priority. Default is low. uh, and submit button I have used for when click it triggers the handle submit mm, functions. So task form component manages input state for task, calls the on add functions passed from a parent component when the form is submitted, and it resets the form after adding the task. And next is I have used the task list. So it will make all the list of the task. And next you can filter bar, the filter bar whether it is completed, not completed. That's it for today, guys, and let me know what else you want to learn. Hi guys, today I have come with Task Manager app. So Task Manager is a simple yet powerful React-based web application that allows users to efficiently create, organize, and track their daily tasks. Built with modern component-based architecture, this app includes features like task creation with due dates, priority selections, and task completion tracking. So here you can see the key features, like you can add the task with title, due date, and priority, and form validation to ensure tasks have essential details, auto-generated unique ID and completion status for each task, responsive UI with clean minimal design using Tailwind CSS. And it is I have used persistent storage. It use a local storage and reusable components. You can use like task form, task list, filter bar for modularity. And I have used React with hooks, JavaScript ES6, Tailwind CSS, or custom styling, and local storage API optional for persistence. So you can see you can add the here titles. So you can give the titles. I am doing something Java component, or you can give the data date, and you can give the low, medium, high, and you can add the task. So here it is adding the task, and you can, if it is completed, then you can